Unlocking online gaming with PlayStation Plus.
Hello there, gaming enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial topic: how to subscribe to PlayStation Plus. We will specifically be looking at how you can use this to play the incredibly popular game, Apex Legends, online.
What is PlayStation Plus?
PlayStation Plus is a subscription service available to PlayStation console users. It provides access to online multiplayer gaming, among other benefits. One such online multiplayer game that you can enjoy with PlayStation Plus is Apex Legends. This service enhances your PlayStation gaming experience with a host of extra features.
How do I subscribe to PlayStation Plus?
To enjoy Apex Legends online, you'll need to subscribe to PlayStation Plus. Let's walk through the steps. 1. Turn on your PlayStation console and sign in to your local user account. 2. Navigate to the PlayStation Store. You can do this from your home screen. 3. Once you're in the store, look for the PlayStation Plus sign. This will typically be in a menu or on the side of your screen. 4. Click on the PlayStation Plus sign, and you'll see different subscription plans. Select the one that best suits your needs. These may range from a 1-month plan to an annual subscription. 5. After you've made your selection, proceed to checkout. You will need to provide your payment details. 6. Once the transaction is successful, you're now a PlayStation Plus subscriber. Remember, you need to have a valid PlayStation Network (PSN) account to subscribe to PlayStation Plus. If you don't have one, you will be prompted to create it during this process.
How do I access Apex Legends with PlayStation Plus?
Now that you have PlayStation Plus, you can play Apex Legends online. Here's how. 1. Go back to the PlayStation home screen and navigate to your game library. 2. In your game library, find and select Apex Legends. If you haven't downloaded it yet, search for Apex Legends in the PlayStation Store and download it. 3. Once you've selected Apex Legends, you can now join online multiplayer sessions. Enjoy battling out in the virtual world with friends and players from around the globe. That's it, gamers! You now know how to subscribe to PlayStation Plus and play Apex Legends online. We hope this guide helps you to unlock an even more exciting gaming experience. Remember, the virtual world is yours to explore, so game on!